In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this spin animation. This is how the mesh really looks like. I'm using only one side face of cube, and the face was mirrored. Two mirrored faces are shaped like a cube, and there is a third mirrored face that is rotating in the scene. This is the base mesh. I'll show you how the mesh was created. In edit mode, type 3 to face select, and remove the faces like this. Add some loop cuts for the wireframe modifier later. Then I applied an emission material. Please use EV with bloom turned on. Shift D to duplicate, and R to rotate like this. Then I applied a new color to the duplicated mesh. Lastly, let's duplicate the mesh one more time and apply a new material. Set the camera's focal length like this. When we rotate the third mesh, we get this spinning illusion. Create a new keyframe on frame 1. Go to frame 250, rotate the Y to 359 more degrees, and set a new keyframe. If we play the animation, it will go slow in the beginning and near the end. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode to fix that issue. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.